What's up, Pilipinas? Yes, masaya na naman ang yung plantito, mga ka-What's up, Pilipinas? Kasi meron na tayong bagong package na pararating lang today via LBC. It's a Kilobox Small package, Kilobox Small. Baliktad ba ang inyong makikita? Anyway, I'm proud kasi it's another ano ba tawag dito, package for your plantito from East West Company Incorporated. East West Company nakalagay eh. Pero this is actually parang not the bank but the seeds. Yung nagbebenta ng mga seeds. Seeds, seedlings, plants, vegetables, seeds, herbs, and other kinds of mga gardening and mga planting accessories. Yeah, so I'm very excited malaman kung ano naman ito kasi hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Like I said, kararating lang. So, I'll be opening this together with you guys para tayong for the first time makikita yung laman. So, again, using my trusted scissor sa natin yung package. It's a rainy afternoon. Medyo basa-basa pa yung ulo ko kasi ni-receive ko yung package sa labas. Hindi ako nagpayong. Pero kasi I'm excited. Hindi na ako nagpayong. Lumabas na lang ako. Sabi ko sa akin ng delivery. Kay Ross Del Rosario po. Sir, anak niyo po ba yon? Kayo po ba yun? Hindi sila makapaniwala na ako si Ross. Alam nila girl. Hinanap nila anak ko daw. Ayun. So, what is inside the package? Meron pang ribbon na. Unahin natin itong, ano muna itong white? Ito yung pinaka ano. What is this white? Open this. Pero mamaya na. So muna, this is a white something inside. Probably notebook. Mamaya makita natin. And then there's a package here. Meron pang ribbon. Color green. Talagang green-minded for your plantito. Anong kaya to? To Ross Del Rosario from Leia, Bing, and Marian. Ayan. Parang Christmas gift na nila sa akin. And then, merong gold na parang something, ano ba to? What do you call this ba? Parang pwede pang necklace So, thank you again to Leia, Bing, and Marian from East West Seeds. Season greetings. So, pangos ko nga sa akin. Season greetings. Then, may nakasulat din sa box from East West Seeds. Nakalagay, Happy Holidays. Kaya tanggalin ko yung green ribbon. Ayan. Basahin natin nakalagay, Happy Holidays. May hope, love, and happiness continue to flourish in your life. Ayun. Then, nandun yung kanilang website, www.eastwestseed.com. So, galing nga sa East West Seed. Ayan, tatago ko ito, hindi ko natapon ito. Itong ribbon na to. Ang gagamit ito, i-recycle natin, something useful. So, ano kaya ang laman nitong box na to? So, green ribbon, and then a green dedication, actually green dedication card, and a sticker, Happy Holidays, then golden, what do you call this? Parang pwedeng pang ano yun quintas. Open this again as well. Ano naman itong box na to? Whoa! So, it's like another set of grow kits. Kasi nakita ko, unang-unang nasa ibabaw is yung mga parang popsicle stick which doubles as parang na-receive natin dating grow kit this doubles as a panghukay. In the same time, pwede mong sulatan to for labeling the name of your plant. Para hindi mo makalimutan. Ang dami ng mga, lalo sa mga, marami nagtatanim, maraming tinatanim, you can put the name of your plant here habang hindi pa tumutubo, hindi pa nag-sprout yung mga seeds. Then inside, you have pots. So this is obviously organic, made of ito, coconut ba to? Coco pots. So maganda kasi sa mga ganitong klaseng pots is hindi siya na kailangan butasan siguro dahil yung water will just pass through dahil this is organic and pwedeng lumabas yung water dito. So it's probably made of coconut. And inside, nakita natin kanina, ito yung mga probably a soil mix. Not really sure ano pa yung composition ng soil mix. So is it a garden soil, compost soil, or loam soil? Mamaya siguro malalaman natin. Or we'll check their Facebook page kung ano laman, kung anong composition itong soil na to. Ayan. So again, the pot, the soil, and then the popsicle sticks. Ayan. And then there's another one. Ito rin. So dalawang set ng pot and loam soil o soil mix. I'm not sure. Ayan. And inside there's a box of plant food nakalagay. Durabloom pelletized organic fertilizer. So it's fertilizer. So plant food. Ayun. So fertilizer. And of course, meron pa. Oh, we have here seeds. Ayun. How many? We have 5 kinds of seeds. Tingnan natin kung ano siya. We have the Monteverde. Ano ito Monteverde? Mustasa. Mustard. And we also have the Pabito. All year round Pechay. Pechay Mustasa na naman tayo. And then the Diamante. Max Tibay sa kulot, Max Sakita. Diamante Max F1. Tomatoes. And then sa mahilig sa mga maanghang, Red Hot F1. Pasiglayin ng buhay, Sakitang Red Hot. Sile. And Amor F1. Talong na yung iibigin. No kakaibang talong na to o eggplant, parang color green, hindi siya violet oh. Pakita ko ulit, this Amor eggplant, Amor F1 eggplant, parang kulay white na eggplant or green. Then we have here the Red Hot F1 na sile. Then the Diamante Max F1 tomato. Pabito, all year round Pechay. And last is the Monteverde Mustasa, mustard. And inside meron pa ako na miss. What is this? Piece of paper, brown paper, instructions. Instructions on probably how to use the soil mix preparation. Okay, dito is transplant or replant seedlings to larger pots to allow them to grow stronger and healthier. Ayan. So may mga instruction dito. Gardening video. You can also check gardening video tutorials. So, ayan nga. So, from the preparation to the sowing to the nurturing of the soil to the use of sunshine, transplanting, hydrating, fertilizing, and support, trim, and harvest. So, yeah. So, we'll try to read this and follow the instructions. course, tingnan natin kung ano naman ito. Yung white something. Probably, this is probably a notebook. Guess ko lang. Tingnan natin kung ano naman niya. Sabi ko muna dito. May space tayo. So, open this. Oh, it's journal. Kasi nakita ko merong 2022. Can you see it? Medyo green na green eh. So, for your plantitos, color green talaga. So, ganyan din magiging kulay ng bahay namin, color green. From the rooftop to the paint. Green hues. Mga kulay close to green. Kasi, kulang nila mag-green t-shirt na rin ako at saka mag-green hair na rin ako. Why not, diba? Gusto nyo ba mag-green hair na rin ako? Yeah, so it's a journal. Uy, look, it's very attractive, very colorful. So, thank you very much, East West Seeds. Wow, ang ganda. Oh, look at this, oh, see? Ang ganda, very colorful. Ayan, see? May farmer pa, oh. Picture ng farmer. May nakita pa akong technology and gulay. Enabling everyone to grow vegetables. Of course. May mga corn na pictures, tomatoes, and so on. Ayun. And at the back, yung mga kanilang mga social media pages. Ayan. So, again, what do we have here? We have the note, the journal. Ito magiging diary natin. Although, in this days na, di ba, 2020 na, more on digital tayo, more on online, more on social media. Hindi nga ako bumibili ng journal ng, ng Starbucks eh. Hindi ako nangongolekta ng stickers kasi I prefer to write it online. I prefer to post it online on social media. Pero, di ba may limitation tayo sa social media? We cannot scribble. Pwede rin using a third-party app. But, ang pangit nun is kapag down, let's say down ng Facebook, down ng Twitter, down ng Instagram, down ng YouTube, wala na yung sinulat natin, wala na yung content na in-upload natin. So, it's better to also have a backup. Parang backup siya ng journal. So, pwede may sulat. Or, kung ayaw mo talaga magsulat manually, just give this as a gift. Di ba? So, sino may gusto? Pero, syempre, anything that is given to me, I cherish it, I use it. Ginagamit ko siya. Probably the different way, pero ginagamit ko rin siya. Ayan. Okay, I give it to someone special. Again, so kasama is the journal, the soil, the pots. So, in this case, there's 2 sets soil and pots. Then, we have the plant food, the 5 sets of seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. 5 sets of seeds. Instruction. Parang guide. Printed on recycled paper. The popsicle sticks. And of course, yung mga knickknacks, mga ribbons, and everything else. Eto, curious ako kung ano naman ito. So, buksan natin muna. Kasi it's still sealed. Ano ka itsura nito? Pang spray ba to? Pang powder ba to? Binubudbud? We'll open it. Ayan. Let's see what's inside. Taba ko muna yung box. Ayan, tabi ko muna dyan. Ayan. So, the plant food box. This is organic fertilizer for garden needs. So it's konti lang naman siya. So isang buong box na maliit. This is the fertilizer. Organic fertilizer. So ano kaya composition nito? Yun, hindi rin natin alam. So probably I could check their Facebook page or website to check on ano laman ito. And it's called DuraBloom Pelletized Organic Fertilizer. Ayan. So meron din silang liquid, meron din silang liquid organic. Meron silang combination of pellets and liquid organic or the liquid organic fertilizer. So ang pangalan is DuraBloom. Plant food. So, kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-vitamins ng ating plants. Or, when do you use fertilizer ba? During, habang i-germinate mo siya? Or, after a few weeks, after a few months, while it's growing? Mabasa natin siguro sa instruction nila. Kasi iba-iba naman ang strategy ng mga plantitos natin. Kaya meron sa isang page, nag-argue sila, na ba yung pinaka-effective method on growing plants. In my case, growing vegetables. Because ang ina-advocate po natin is growing your own food. Growing your own food for a sustainable living. Yun. So, thank you very much, East West Seeds. Papakita ulit natin to sa episode ng ating ang pambansang plantito ng Pilipinas every Friday at Global Pinas TV 168. Pero for the meantime, ito i-upload ko on social media para it's a preview. Pero on that day kasi, Friday, maaaring gamitin na natin to. Nadaling ko to here. Dito sa Montalban, Rizal. For the meantime, ibalik natin sa kanyang box. Asip, hindi pa natin nabubuksan. Dito, gagamitin ko na to. Ilalabas ko na siya. Seal muna natin ulit. So, sa Friday naman, it's a live stream show. So, okay lang. Iba na naman ang audience doon. For the meantime, here, balik natin sa box. And we'll try again to showcase this Friday. So again, salamat East West Seeds. Anong taga-pangalan nyo? East West Company Incorporated, East West Seed, East West Foundation. I'm not sure. Basta hindi siya yung bank. Hindi siya yung bangko. Siya yung, may kinalaman ba siya sa bangko? Related ba siya sa bangko? I'm not sure. Pero again, thank you very much. This has been your plantito, ang pambansang plantito ng Pilipinas. Ross Del Rosario saying, what's up Pilipinas? Salamat guys. Thank you very much. Whee!